to the day 10 of the 30-day Green Living Challenge. Today, Xander and I would like to talk to you about tires and tire pressure on your vehicle. Real simple thing, get a tire gauge, check the pressure on your tire if you've never done it. There's a little knob here, if Xander gets out of the way. There's a little knob here, you just undo this. You connect your tire pressure gauge to that and it'll tell you how much pressure is in your tire. Many people look at the tire, there's writing around here and it will tell you a PSI. Don't use that. That is maximum pounds per square inch for the tire, but every car is different, depends on the weight of the car, how the car handles. So you want to go by the car recommendation. Where do you find that? I'll show you in a second. It's actually inside the door. So right here, this is inside the door. You can see there's actually a chart right here that tells you the best tire pressure. So you can always find it there. You can also check your manual. But this is the driver's side door. You open it up and you have, these stickers here, and that's where you find your proper tire pressure. But why do we want to keep our tire pressure to the recommended setting? Someone told me once if you set it higher, you even get better gas mileage. Well, that's not totally true. You should keep it at the recommended setting because you get the best gas mileage that way. Also, it makes the tire wear evenly. Get your tires rotated once in a while as well. They will last longer. These tires are made of rubber, oil products, and so the longer you can get them to last, the better. If you keep them at the right pressure, you'll get better gas mileage as well. So go around your car today. That's your challenge for today. All your vehicles that you have, go around, check all 4 tires on them. Check that they're properly inflated. If not, get them inflated. Go to the gas station or wherever you can get them filled up to the proper pressure. So have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.